Customer service training tips. Good customer service is the best way to keep customers coming back to your business. Superstores that have hundreds of employees, these companies do not give their workers enough incentive to be customer friendly, and they don't seem to insist their employees use the customer training tips that are provided during their training. Businesses always supply new employees with their own customer service training tips in the beginning, but they seem to forget them after being employed for a while. Maybe stores and businesses should make their employees go through a refresher course and relearn the customer service training tips that were given to them in the beginning. Training your employees in the art of customer service can be the least expensive improvement you can do. Make sure your employees have good people skills and that they enjoy working with people. One nasty person with a bad attitude can ruin a small business faster than a hold-up. Here are some customer service training tips that may help your employees. Some customers are just plain difficult. They are always complaining, they are picky, know-it-alls, fault-finders, constant complainers, unreasonable, demanding. There's no way you can avoid them, so you have to learn to deal with them. Angry people cannot rationalize because they are so wrapped up in the emotion of anger that anything you say gets filtered through their emotion. Rationalizing, problem-solving, listening, and negotiating are all left brain activities, and your angry customer is stuck in the right side of the brain, and therefore cannot be expected to rationalize with you. Here are a few more customer service training tips. Believe it or not, the best way to diffuse a situation with an angry customer may be cleared up with two little words. I'm sorry. Recent research shows that more than 50% of customers who have voices a complaint never get an apology. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize that most people just want to be acknowledged, and when they get ignored and treated like they don't matter and their opinion means nothing. One of the better customer service training tips I found is saying I'm sorry can make all the difference in the world. I don't believe in the saying the customer is always right. No, they're not always right, and there are those that make themselves feel superior by belittling others. Being courteous to customers does not mean you have to accept abuse from them. Nobody deserves to be treated badly, but unfortunately there are those who go out of their way to do so. Saying things like, "Thank you for letting me know that you're unhappy with," will usually calm even the meanest customers, and the nicer you continue to be with them, the calmer they get. This is a very good customer service training tip. Try it a few times, it really works. There's also another saying that goes, you don't have to show up to every fight you're invited to.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.